Wagwan, me people them, how ya all doing today? We got a special treat for ya. Welcome back to Chat Jamaican, yard of the real island vibes. We always bringing you the best of Jamaica, from the culture to the food, and today is no different. Today we journeying deep into die heart of Jamaica, but not for die beaches or die reggae music this time. No, today we taking a different path, one that leads us to die vibrant and flavorful world of Jamaican fruits. No sa, today we getting down and dirty with the fruits, and not just any fruits, mind you. We talking about the ones that make your mouth water and your heart sing. We talking about the unusual, die exotic, die never before seen kind of fruits that only Jamaica can offer. From the sweet and juicy to the tangy and tart, we got it all. So buckle up, grab a coconut water, and get ready to tantalize you taste buds as we explore the wonderful world of Jamaican fruits. We go and dive into the stories behind these fruits, die farmers who grow them, and die unique flavors that make them so special. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. First up, we have to start with the big boss, the Don, the national fruit of Jamaica, Ackee. This fruit is not just a staple in Jamaican cuisine, but it also holds a special place in the hearts of Jamaicans. It's a symbol of our culture and heritage. Now, this fruit is not for the faint of heart. Ackee has a unique appearance and a fascinating history. It was brought to Jamaica from West Africa in the 18th century and has since become an integral part of our culinary traditions. It's got a unique look, kinda like scrambled eggs with a black eye peeping out. The fruit's flesh is creamy and yellow, and when it opens naturally, it reveals 3 large shiny black seeds. Don't let that scare you off though, because when cooked properly, Ackee is creamy, delicious, and oh so satisfying. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in various dishes, adding a rich, buttery texture. You'll find it paired up with saltfish for a classic Jamaican breakfast, known as Ackee and saltfish. This dish is a must-try for anyone visiting Jamaica, offering a perfect blend of flavors that represent the island's culinary excellence. But be warned, only eat the Ackee when it's ripe and open naturally. Unripe Ackee contains toxins that can be harmful, so it's crucial to ensure the fruit is fully mature before consumption. Otherwise, you might have a run-in with the doctor. Always be cautious and respect the natural ripening process of this unique fruit to enjoy its deliciousness safely. Next, we're reaching for DI stars, literally, with DI star apple. This beauty has smooth purple skin, and when you cut it open, boom, a star appears right before your eyes. DI flesh is sweet and milky, almost like a natural dessert. You can eat it fresh, but some folks like to scoop out the flesh and make it into a refreshing drink. Trust me, after a long day under the Jamaican sun, a cold glass of star apple juice is just what the doctor ordered. Now, hold on to your hats, because we're about to get prickly with the soursop. This fruit looks like it could fight off a mongoose with its spiky green exterior. But don't let that fool you. Underneath that tough exterior lies a soft, creamy flesh that's both sweet and tangy. It's like a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. We use soursop to make juices, ice cream, smoothies, you name it. Alright, let's switch gears a bit with DI June plum. This unique fruit, also known as ambarella in some parts of the world, is a true gem in Jamaican cuisine. Now, this fruit is not for the faint of heart. It's tart, it's tangy, it's got a kick to it. The flavor is a delightful mix of sweet and sour, making it a refreshing treat on a hot day. We Jamaicans love to eat it with salt and pepper for an extra burst of flavor. The salt enhances the natural tanginess, creating a taste explosion in your mouth. But June plum ain't just for snacking, oh no. It's incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. From savory to sweet, it adds a unique twist to any meal. We use it to make jams, jellies, and even wine. Imagine spreading some June plum jelly on your morning toast, or sipping on a glass of June plum wine in the evening. So next time you're in Jamaica, be sure to grab yourself some June plums and experience the unique flavor of this island treasure. It's a taste you won't forget and a perfect way to bring a piece of Jamaica back home with you. Next up, we're climbing high into DI trees for some Ginep. These little guys grow in bunches, kinda like grapes, and they've got a thin brown skin that you crack open to get to the sweet, juicy flesh inside. Ginep is a popular snack in Jamaica, especially for kids. It's like the Jamaican version of candy, only way healthier. Now, let's talk about the berry, a fruit that's close to my heart. It's got a brown, rough skin, kinda like a potato, but don't let that fool you. Inside, you'll find a sweet, grainy flesh that's absolutely divine. Naseberry is best eaten fresh, but you can also use it to make jams, jellies, and even ice cream. Hold on to your seats because we're about to tackle the jackfruit. This behemoth of a fruit is hard to miss. It's huge, it's spiky, and it can grow up to 100 pounds, but don't let its intimidating exterior scare you off. Inside, you'll find pods of sweet, fibrous flesh that are absolutely delicious. Jackfruit is very versatile. You can eat it raw, cooked, sweet, or savory. Now, let's talk about a true Jamaican staple, the breadfruit. This large, round fruit is a staple food in Jamaica and many other Caribbean countries. It's got a starchy texture, kinda like a potato, and it can be cooked in a variety of ways. We like to roast it, fry it, boil it, you name it. Breadfruit is a great source of carbohydrates and it's gluten-free, so it's a healthy and delicious option for everyone. Get ready for a burst of flavor with the Otaheite apple. This bright red fruit is a real treat for the senses. It's got a crisp, juicy flesh that's both sweet and slightly tart. Otaheite apples are best eaten fresh, but you can also use them to make juices, jams, and even wine. Last but not least, we're finishing off our fruity adventure with DI custard apple. This unique fruit has a bumpy green skin that might not look too appetizing, but trust me, it's what's inside that counts. The custard apple has a creamy, custard-like flesh that's sweet and fragrant. It's like eating a tropical dessert. You can eat it fresh, but it's also delicious in smoothies and ice cream. So there you have it, me friends, a taste of Jamaica's most exotic and rare fruits. From the spiky soursop to the sweet star apple, Jamaica is a true fruit lover's paradise. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the heart of Jamaican cuisine. Don't forget to give this video a big ol' Jamaican thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to Chat Jamaican for more island vibes and adventures. Until next time, walk good and stay eerie.